Prepositions of place are small words that tell us exactly where something or someone is located. Today, we focus on two important ones, behind and in front of. These words help us describe positions clearly and accurately. Prepositions of place show the position or location of things in relation to other objects. Behind means at the back side of something. In front of means at the front side of something. These are opposites that help us understand spatial relationships. Behind means at or toward the back side of something. It describes a position that is opposite from where you would normally face something. Think of the back part of any object, that's where behind places something. In front of means at or toward the front side of something. It describes the position where you would naturally face or see the main part of an object first. This is the opposite position from behind. The boy is behind the tree. This means the tree stands between you and the boy, you cannot see him directly. The car is behind the house. This means the house blocks your view of the car from the front. The boy is in front of the house. This means you see the boy first, then the house behind him. The car is in front of the building. You see the car before reaching the building entrance. Now practice filling in the blanks. The dog is blank the tree. The correct word is behind because the dog is at the back of the tree. The girl is blank the house. The correct word is in front of because she stands before the house. Review with these examples. The cat is behind the sofa, correct usage. The bike is in front of the garage, perfect. The books are behind the desk. The tree stands in front of the house. Practice these patterns to master the prepositions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.